Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make external Framelines for Sony Venice 2 camera. So let's just jump into it. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the menus of your camera, and to go to your menus, first of all make sure you long press on the menu button so you can open the full menus like as you can see on the screen now, and then go to the timecode and media, and in there scroll down to format media and then go to SD card. When you go to SD card, just click on run, and one more time click on run, and it will format your SD card. After that, eject your card from. Now go to Safari and search for Sony Frameline generator, and you will see this. Just click on Sony Venice 2 Frameline generator. And after that, when it opens up, just launch the tool. Now you have to select if you are having 6K Sony Venice 2 or 8K. I'm having the 8K, and then after that imager mode, I'm on the open gate, so I will keep it on 8.6K 3x2. Now if you have any anamorphic lens, you can apply the de-squeeze factor, but I'm not having it, and then zoom to fit, I will not do it anything. Now it's good to work with an image to see how it looks, so I'm gonna choose this image, and now I will go to Frameline settings. Here you have Frameline 1, Frameline 2 and center marker, and I'm gonna be on the Frameline 1, and I will choose the color as white. I will leave it as line, and now I will go ahead and put my aspect as 9:16. Once I'm done with that, I will just click on enter, and there you go. And I will create a mask just to show you and decrease it so you can really see how it's gonna look in case you wanna have a mask. I will go to Frameline 2 now, and this one I will keep it as green just to have a reference like how it's gonna be looking. And now I will select 17:9, and I will make mask, and I will create a line and mask. No, it doesn't look good to me. I will go back and keep it on line. And now one more thing about Frameline tool of Sony is it's not like Arri Framelines where you have a tick width, tick height and making corners options. It's only gonna give you full boxes. There is nothing else. So let's just go to the center marker, and in center marker you have a cross and open cross and then dot. You can choose them, choose the color and see how it looks for you. For me, I'm gonna leave it like this. And now we are ready to export it. So to export, I go to export settings, and if you see here you have FL1 and FL2, which means Frameline 1 and Frameline 2. So you cannot have one file combining both the Framelines. You have to export the Framelines separately and then apply them on camera in two Framelines, not one. Because we know that in Sony Venice we have user Frameline 1 and user Frameline 2. So you have to choose one and one on each, but you cannot have a combined file like Arri camera where you can put both on the same time. So I will first export Frameline 1 and then Frameline 2 as well. And I will show you how you can put it on camera. So I will go on Frameline 1 and I will export, and once I am done with exporting, I will just copy the file on the root structure of my card, paste item, and then eject the card. And now I will put the card in the camera. I will long press menu button to go to full menus, and then I will go on monitoring, and in monitoring I will go down to load user Frameline, and in here I will go on load SD card. After I click on it, I will go on 1, I will choose the file, and it should show me file successfully loaded. Now we have loaded the file, but we haven't applied it. So to apply it, I will go back and I will go to user Frameline 1 or 2. I will go on 1, and here I will click on user file, and in user file I have 5 options for Framelines. So I know that my Frameline is being installed on Frameline 1. So I will click on it, and this way you can see your user made Frameline on screen. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much.